Welcome to our Hosting Educator channel on domain and hosting for beginners. Are you ready to take the first step in building your website? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about domains and hosting. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. So let's dive right in. Section 1. What are domains and hosting? Before we begin, let's understand what domains and hosting are. A domain is the unique address of your website on the internet, like www.yourwebsite.com. It acts as your website's digital identity. Hosting, on the other hand, is the service that stores and maintains your website's files and data, making it accessible to visitors from anywhere in the world. Think of hosting as the foundation of your website. Choosing the right domain name is essential, as it represents your brand and helps visitors find you easily. It should be memorable and relevant to your content. Finding a reliable hosting provider ensures that your website remains accessible, fast, and secure at all times. Section 2. How do domains and hosting work? Now that we know what domains and hosting are, let's explore how they work together. When someone types in your domain name, their browser sends a request to the hosting server, which then delivers your website's files as HTML code. The browser interprets this code and displays your website to the visitor. Next, to establish this connection, you need to link your domain name with your hosting server by updating the domain's DNS, domain name system, settings. These settings ensure that when someone types your domain into their browser, they are directed to your hosting server where your website is stored. This will be explained in detail in the next videos. Conclusion, outro. Congratulations! You've completed our 101 tutorial on domain and hosting. By now, you understand the importance of choosing the right domain name and hosting provider. Remember, this is just the beginning of your exciting website building journey. Keep learning and exploring to create a remarkable online presence. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified about our future tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.